Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brad Zeruba with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty. I am coming to you today from 11498 North Wahoo Trail in Dunnellon. This home is located very close to Lake Rousseau, and there is community access to the lake. So great spot if you're a boat enthusiast or you like fishing. This lot, and you can peek through and see the home there. This is 2.47 acres, and it is nice and sunny and grassed in the front, and we've got some beautiful wood coverage in the back. So stick with me to the end of the video, and I'll actually get to show you back there as well. So here's your street view. I'll just kind of pan around. This community is very quiet and peaceful, and most of the lots around here are good size. So there's a lot of space between homes, and you really do get that rural feel. So heading into the front, I'm sure you're noticing all the beautiful palm trees. There we have a vegetable garden. The homeowner is a garden enthusiast, and what a great spot to grow vegetables. A little fence around it so you can protect your crop. Really a great spot if you like planting gardens, vegetable gardens, whatever you might fancy. You can see directly in front of us, there is the well. So this home is on well and septic. And let's go get in that home. So this home was built in 2018. It's got upgrades, including walls that will withstand Category 3 winds. There's a metal roof, which is a very long-lasting roof. You've got gutters and downspouts. It has vinyl siding, which is easy to clean and maintain. Keep your house looking fresh and new for years to come. So let's get up there. Oh, look at that hibiscus. All right, welcome to your new home. So currently the thermostat is set to 78. It feels much cooler, so that is working very well. As you enter the home, we come into the living room. The flooring throughout the home is a vinyl, very realistic looking vinyl. I had to do a double take. You can see the kitchen right off of the living room. And then before we dig into that, we're going to swing over to the guest wing. This is an open floor plan home with split living quarters. So over on this side of the home, we've got a full bathroom. There's a tub and a shower stall, as well as a vanity and a toilet. So good sized bathroom for your guest wing. And then as we enter the room next door, it is also a good sized guest room. This room is nice and bright. We've got double pane windows that help keep that cold air in the home, which is awesome. There is a good sized closet attached to this bedroom. You can easily fit a king size bed in this room. The king might make it a little tight, but if you wanted to, you can make it work. And then you see here we've got a small breakfast bar. You can have some bar stools, some benches here, and actually use this for either eating or as you're cooking. You can entertain your guests and have a nice social space. You also see we have a small area for a breakfast table. In the kitchen, we've got an electric range, dishwasher, hood, and refrigerator. And you can see it's a pretty good size. There's no bumping around in here. It's a nice square kitchen. Off of the kitchen, we've got a hallway, and this hallway has your back door to the right, and then we've got a washer and dryer located right there. These newer mobile homes come with whole house ventilation, so you can turn that bad boy on and really flush the air out throughout the whole home, which I think is a great feature for these Florida homes. This area is your master suite. So this master suite is huge. As we come in here, you get a good sense. Once more, nice and bright. We've got double window in here. Very, very large room. Easy for oversized furniture, king size bed. This whole wing of the home is pretty fantastic. We've got a oversized walk-in closet. You could easily add some more shelving and storage if you need. As you can see, it's not needed for the current owners, but there's certainly some option there. As we swing into this huge bathroom, there is no bumping around here either. We can see there's two vanities with a small little makeup counter. You've got a soaking tub, as well as your toilets. And then if you don't want to take a tub bath, you've got your walk-in shower here. So tons of room in this master suite. As you can see, it's a very well kept home. Everything's newer in the home, so there's a lot of great value instantly here, not to mention the beautiful land. So, as I said, I'm gonna go and give you a tour of the rest. Need my sunnies on. It's a little bright for you. So out of your back door, we've got some stairs back to the backyard. You've got a nice clear area right off of the back of the home, which then goes into the wooded area. This home is partially fenced, so off to the left you can see some fencing, and then I'll swing you around, and off to the right you can also see some fencing. That mobile home will be not staying, it's going with the owners. Before we walk out back though, I'm going to take you to the side yard here. The side yard, we've got a shed that you can store your lawnmower or your riding mower, garden tools, all that kind of stuff. And then you can also see there is a small above ground pool that will be staying with the property, and boy does it look good right about now. It's 90 degrees out here and I'm certainly feeling it in these pants. So let's go check out that back. This home, as you can see from the lot itself, there's plenty of storage for RV, for boat. You really can do whatever you want with this property. It's pretty amazing. And being close to Lake Rousseau, which if you're not familiar with it, it's a huge lake, great fishing, and just close accessibility. The boat ramp is right down the street. So I'm not going to go all the way to the back, but at the back end of the property, it is fully fenced as well. There is pasture land, which is just nice green grass. All the lots around here are fairly large, so you're really separated from people, and you get that sense when you walk back here. I love that this parcel has a little bit of everything. You've got your natural landscape, rabbits, turtles, all that good kind of stuff, and then once you come out in the clearing, you've got beautiful grass and a beautiful lawn to garden and play, and I mean a slip and slide even sounds really good right about now. Well guys, so that is 11498 North Wahoo Trail. This is Brad Zaruba with RES Luxury Group, eXp Realty. You can reach me at 206-913-7505. I hope to see you guys out here, and I'd love to give you a tour of this awesome, awesome property. Have a great day.